Alright, so we got to run. About to go see what's good. This one right here?
40 to 150.
40 to 150?
Yeah.
Alright. What's good, everybody? Who is LouieXIII? Back at it again with the white vans. You see me with the checkers on them and all that. We right here in the 2020 Dodge Charger 392 Scat Pack wide body with the red guts and the bees on the seats. You already know what it is, man. So we ain't gonna waste that much time getting into it. You guys already know. You've seen the thumbnail, you've seen the title, you see all that. We taking a little trip to Mexico, but before we get into that, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, drop a comment down below and tell me your thoughts. Tell me what you guys want to see, what you guys want to talk about, and we gonna get right to it. Another thing, if you really fuck with me, please do me a huge favor and do not skip the ads. It helps me tremendously and I appreciate it greatly. Thank you guys so much. And if you're interested in any of the stuff that I use, any of the equipment, any of the products, you know, like the radar detector here, made a video on that. If you haven't seen it, go check it out. This little suction cup here that I use for my GoPro, the handle that I'm using for my GoPro, the GoPro itself, and you know, many other things. If you're interested in any of that, all links are in the description. Go ahead and click that link if you're in the market. Buy the stuff through that link and I get a little percentage of that. So that helps out as well and I appreciate that greatly as well. And without further ado, we gonna get right into it. There's a few runs in here that are gonna happen and stay tuned because I got a couple videos coming from this trip that we took to Mexico with the boys, you feel me? So without further ado, let's get right into it. Enjoy the ride as we take a little trip to Mexico. I don't even know what kind of car that is, but Ed got another one.
Y'all want to see a dead body?
I think now it's about to start getting lit right now. Might get a couple runs in, you know, take off to Mexico. We'll see what's good with it. Pulling up to spot number 3. About to see what's good. Apparently we're about to get some runs in. That's what they've been saying. Excuse me. That's what they've been saying, so we'll see what happens. You guys hear that little whistle? Smoked him, Ed, or what? Smoked him?
That fucking smoked the random ass Beamer was trying to run him. I spun to the whole. I was spinning and still winning him. Like I was still running him while spinning.
What kind of Beamer was it?
I don't know.
It was like a 5 Series.
5 Series?
He honked it and everything.
I know. I heard you guys. I was like, oh, they're about to run it.
I was just spinning, but it was still moving fast.
Yeah. You gotta be careful when that shit happens, bro.
Fuck yeah, dude.
Fuck around and lose control of that.
I need to air down bad.
Yeah?
Because I usually race at 20. I'm at 34 right now.
34?
Drive.
Oh shit. Yeah, I'm at 31, I think. Something like that, 32.
The bronze one over.
Oh, okay.
They don't want the
Let's
Beamer.
go. You got anything in it?
Yeah, it's all stock right now.
Oh, stock?
Yeah,
Let's go check it out real quick. Show the YouTube. Alright, so we got to run. About to go see what's good. This one right here. Alright. The V6 twin turbo.
Yeah, bone stock.
Bone stock. Stock versus stock. Yes, sir. Alright, little fun run. You know they out here racing for money and shit, but I ain't about that. Yeah, I'm just trying to get it in for fun. For sure, man. Hell yeah. What was your name again?
Jonathan.
Jonathan Louie.
Nice to meet you.
Yes, sir. Alright. We got to run then, people. What you guys think? Who's gonna take it? Because I don't know nothing about these cars. How much horsepower? You know how much horsepower it has?
I'm making 400 right now.
Oh, 400 to the wheel?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So it should be pretty close then.
Should be a close one, yeah.
Yeah, that's gonna be good then.
Yeah.
For sure. Well, yeah, we'll get it in then, man. Whenever they head out.
Alright.
Sounds good. All right, what you guys think? Should be close. You said 400 to the wheel. I know I'm around the same thing, so we'll see what happens. Who's he racing?
He's racing AROD.
AROD? Oh shit. Got the bottle there. What else is he having? I'm Louie, by the way, bro.
Oh, Sergio.
Sergio, nice to meet you, brother.
I believe he's. Are you full bolt on?
Not full bottle. Fake bottle?
It's a fake bottle. It's just what do you call it? It's really sugar water. It's gonna shoot out the back of the exhaust. That's where the flames really come from.
Oh yeah? He spits flames? You gotta see the flames.
It's just a flame out connected to the bottle. I'm not wearing my specs. I'm gonna slide.
Oh, shit. We're getting foot runs in too. I got the Vans on. I think I might be able to take somebody in the Vans.
Can you go there? Yeah, we'll just let our cars come up and we'll roll with them. Yeah, we'll follow you guys then.
For sure. I'll see you over there, bro.
Right.
For sure. Alright guys, what you think? What you think? The Q50 400 to the Willie says. About to see. Here we go. We out here, so I'm racing the Q50. We'll see what happens, guys. Let me know in the comments what you think. Who got it? The 2020 Dodge Charger 392 Scat Pack wide body versus the Q50. What you guys think? We about to find out. We got some other runs going down too, so we're about to see what's going down, man. We're heading out, as you can see. Alright, we pulling up at the station. Everybody's about to fill up, and we're about to see what's good. Let's hop out real quick, see what's good. Ugh. This is the one Ed's racing right here. 370 on the bottle. That's the one I'm running. The INFINITI Q50. Filling up on that E.
Oh, you're gonna need it then, huh?
A little bit, just put a little bit, Manny.
Oh, they ain't got it?
Huh?
They ain't
it's
got
locked.
it. Locked.
Is there another one around here or not?
That sucks.
Well, I can't go half as
Young Manny putting that E up in there. Go follow him. Do you smell it?
Can't find that shit around here, so you gotta carry it around here.
Go follow AROD. This girl right here. What's your name again?
I'm Raya.
Raya. Louie. I don't think we ever officially
I don't
met.
think so, no.
All right. Well, there she is, Raya and AROD, the truth right here. Let's go follow him.
well, because Ed's
Got a
gonna
dope
need
whip.
it because it's locked.
Yeah, just finish it, Manny.
Where's your
Kill
tag?
it.
Where's your tag at, Franco? You ain't got your Instagram on here? What is it? What's the Instagram? Let him know.
Franco underscore is 550.
Franco
Two
underscore
O's.
2 O's
Yeah.
X550
No.
S550.
S550 Franco underscore S550. Go follow him, because this shit is hard right here, and he has a lot of shit on the way, so you already know, man. Look at the wheels though. Those are brand new right there. Hard. Yes sir, that's right. Hey, what do you have? It's I know it's the Pro Charger, but what else is in there besides the Pro Charger?
Shelby GT350 manifold, injectors, JMS boost pump. Basically, pretty much it. Basic.
Basically.
Basic.
There it is. You guys heard it. You know he's going against the 370 with the bottle. What else does he have? The
Not
bottle.
me.
Oh, you're not?
Mm-mm.
Oh, I thought it was you.
No, it's
Oh, it's AROD. You're gonna run the 370, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So I know you told me before you had the fucking manifolds, right?
302 watts manifold and PMAS cold air intake.
There it is.
Sir, and a flex fuel tune, so I could either put 91 or E85 whenever I want.
There it is. And you already know I showed you the tag already. Go follow him. Diversity. This beast right here. And what does that guy have? He has the bottle and
I want to say it's a full bolt-on 370, and he has the bottle. We're gonna do one race without the bottle, one race with the bottle.
oh shit. There it is. We getting some runs in. Manny, who you running?
I'm not racing you.
All right, we running Manny too. You already know Manny got some shit up in his shit. You already seen him loading up the E85. So we gonna run Manny and the Infinity. Off to the next spot. 305s all around the wide body. All right, we out to the next spot. You already see everybody. We rolling mad deep. Mad deep. What's going on here? Someone is fucking, damn. Whew. I don't know if you guys seen that, but someone burnt the fuck out right there. God damn, still smell that shit. You see everybody, we're like at least, fuck, over 10 cars for sure. I don't know, like 15. So we about to get some good runs in, y'all. Stay tuned, baby, stay tuned. You ain't gonna wanna miss it, I'm telling you. And get used to it, because we gonna have a lot of content like this now, man. I'm telling you guys. The informative stuff's cool. You know, I like helping you guys out. I ain't gonna stop doing that. But, you know, I'm trying to get more into the entertainment, you feel me? So, you know, be expecting a lot more of this out here in Mexico. Deep we are, guys. Sheesh. See the Scatty. There goes AROD and the 370Z. Or are they gonna run it from right here? They're doing a dig? Looks like AROD got it, huh?
He braked first.
Oh, AROD took it.
You spun or what?
My first one, my RPM didn't want to keep going past 6,000. My max out at like 75, 77.
How many runs you guys get in?
We got two.
Two of them?
Yeah.
One there, one back?
Yeah.
Alright. Fuck it, let's go then.
Yeah.
Let's do it. Good to go?
40?
Yeah. So are we doing like 40 to 130 or some shit?
Oh, you want to do that?
I don't know, I just started slowing down. I didn't know, cause I didn't know when that fucking dead end was coming, so I was like, oh shit.
Fucking, let's do 40 to 150.
40 to 150?
Yeah.
All right, so on the way back?
On the way back.
All right. So it looked like the Scatty doing pretty well, man. It got him right there, but we're gonna do, we're gonna go a little longer this time and see if he can catch up on the top end. So we'll see what's about to happen. But Scatty's doing pretty well against the Q50, man. Here we go again. proud of her. Yes, sir. Let's roll back up. We'll talk about it. See what he thought. It smells like burnt popcorn or some shit. Good shit though, bro. I did.
Yeah?
Yeah, the Scatty did his thing.
Putting in work.
Put in a little work.
First race night.
Yes, sir. So you plan on doing anything to it?
Right now, just JB4 downpipes.
Downpipes?
Downpipes, yeah.
Oh, that's right, that's right. All right, guys, so as you saw, the Scatty did well, man. I'm proud of her. The red guts, you know, all that. She did very well. You know, we got to come up with a nickname for her. If you guys have any ideas on the nickname, drop it down in the comments. Let me know, man. We need to find a dope nickname for the Scatty. You know what I'm saying? She is a female too. She's a female. She got the red guts. So, you know, we going with the female theme. So if you guys know any dope nicknames, if you could come up with any dope nicknames, drop it down in the comments. If I choose your nickname, then I'll give you a little shout out. Or if you inspired me to come up with a dope nickname, I'll give you a little shout out. So let's come up with a dope name for the Scatty, man. Other than that, with some dope runs, my boy AROD took his. He ran the 370 with the bottle. And like I said, there was a few other runs that, you know, you guys didn't see that are going to be coming soon. So stay tuned for all that. We got some dope content coming, man. I'm telling you guys, it's about to get real lit, man. We're going to get into a lot of the entertainment. You know, we're still going to keep going with the informative stuff. But like I always say, drop it down in the comments and let me know what you guys want to see. And we're going to get to it, man. And shout out to my boy in the Q50, J Rams with the Z 2.0. Go give him a follow over there on IG. He's getting some stuff done to the Infinity, and I'm gonna get some stuff done to the Charger, as you guys already know. And you know, we're gonna get a couple more runs in the future. So shout out to him. Salute. It's always good meeting some dope people, man. So there's a lot of the guys over there that we didn't get to get runs in with, so a lot more content to come with them. Go give them a follow at Royal Society __ I believe it is, over there on IG. They got a lot of dope whips as well, which you will see very shortly in the next couple vlogs that I drop. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, drop a comment down below. You know, everything helps so much. Let's build this channel up. Let's do what we gotta do. A lot of stuff that I'm really excited for. So let's build this channel up and let's get it going, man. Don't forget, all links to the stuff that I use are in the description. If you guys are in the market, go check it out, get it through those links and help your boy out. Thank you guys so much. I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. Who is Louie XIII? Checking out. Salute.